Hi dear students, welcome to Maths JEE class CBSE classes. In this video, we are going to discuss about the topic Surds, MCQs which are related to any competitive exams with respect to mathematics. I am going to deal with this. The top institutions, what they are providing the material, the questions which are discussing like Chaitanya, Narayana and different institutions, whatever following the material, the questions I am discussing here, it will help for the students. Let us have a discussion. The question here, if x equal to root 3, y equal to 6 root 2, z equal to 4th root of 7, then among the following. That means they are asking to arrange the options form, whatever the options are provided. So first we need to discuss the given source. Among that, which one is that is arranging in the ascending order, descending order. See here, first x is equal to root 3. Root 3 we can write it as 3 power 1 by 2. No? Here 2 is called order of the surd. Next, y equal to 6th root of 2. We can write it as 2 power 1 by 6. Here 6 is the order of surd. Similarly, z is equal to 4th root of 7. We can write it as 7 power 1 by 4. 4 is the order of the surd. So they are asking to arrange the forms x is greater than z is greater than y, or x is less than z is less than y, x is less than y is less than z, z is greater than x is greater than y, like these options they are asking. So to verify among these surds which one is big, which one is small, how to decide? First we have to take the LCM of the orders of the respective surds. So the respective orders are 2, 6 and 4. For this LCM you have to take it, dear students. So 2 1s, 2 3s, 2 2s. So the LCM of 2, 4, 6 is 2 3s are 6, 6 into 1, 6, 6 into 2, 12. So what we have to do with this LCM? For every surd, you can powerize with the LCM of these orders. See here, 3 power 1 by 2, I am powerizing with the LCM, 12. Next, take the second surd, 2 power 1 by 6, whole power 12. Next, third one, 7 power 1 by 4, whole power 12. By applying the formula a power m whole power n, a power mn, so 2 1s, 2 6, so it will become 3 power 6. Similarly, 6 1s are 6 2s are, so 2 power 2, 4 1s are 4 3s are, so 7 power 3. Now we will calculate the values. 3 power 6. So 3 power 6 means 3 power 3 means 27. Again 27. 27 into 27. So 7 7s are 49, 7 2s are 14 and 4 18, 2 7s 54. So 9, 12, 5 and 6, 7, 729. So this value 729. Next, 2 square means 4. 7 power 3, 49 into 7. 49 into 7, 7 9s are 63. 7 4s are 28 and 343. So we can arrange in the order. So by observing 729 is related to 3 power 1 by 2. No? So 3 power 1 by 2 is x. This value is x. Y 2 power 1 by 6 is related to y. 3 power 343 is related to 7 power 1 is z. So by observing these values, so first 4 is less than 343 is less than 729. Am I right? So y is less than 343 means z is less than x. First you verify whether it is there or not. Y is less than z is less than x. It is not there. So reverse order also given, two options. So we can write this as, this is the right answer only, but it is not there in the options. If you write reverse, inequality also will write reverse. X is greater than z is greater than y. So we can write it as x is greater than z is greater than y. It is there in the first option, dear students. I hope you understand that how to write the given source, which one is greater, which one is lesser or smaller. This is the way. Now come to the question number 2. In question number 2, the first surd is root 37 plus root 11. Second surd is root 41 plus root 7. Third surd is binomial surds, which are 43, root 43 plus root 5. And fourth one, root 35 plus root 13. Okay. Generally what we will do, 37 means it is nearby root 36 perfect square. So 6 point something will be there. 11 is also perfect square near to root 9. So it is 3 point something. Like 6 point something plus 3 point something, it will be 9 point something. Like this way generally we will do it. Other than this method, I am going to tell one trick. The general trick it is. Trick I am going to apply. See how it is. First you have to make the product of these surds. 37 into 11. 37 into 11. 11 sevens are 77. 11 threes are 33 and 7. 33 and 7 is 40. 4 or 7. So now 41 into 7. 7 and 287. The product of 43 and 5. So 3, 5, 5 threes are 15, 5 for the 20 and 1 21. Next 35 into 13. 35 into 13. 13 5s are 65. 13 3s are 39 plus 6. 39 plus 6. 45. Among these, which one is small? 407, 287, 250, 455. Among these values, this one is representing smallest. So, what is the smallest surd among these? Root 43 plus root 5. Among the options, root 43 plus root 5 is the smallest one. This is the way you can identify by using the trick, dear students. Generally, I said already the method. I hope you understand. We'll move on to the another set of questions. Come to the next question, dear students. The square root of 9 plus 2 root 14 is. To solve these problems, see here, first what we have to do is 9 number can express as the sum of two numbers. That sum of two numbers is the product of this one. The product of the two numbers should be this under root value. So 14 product 2 into 7, can I write like this? So 7 plus 2 also 9 now. So square root of 9 can be written as, always you write among the two numbers which one is big, that you write first. 7 plus 2 plus 2 into root 14. Root 14 can be expressed as 7 into 2. So root over 7 can be written as root 7 whole square plus 2 can be written as root 2 whole square plus 2 into root AB means root A into root B. Okay, dear students. So it is in the form of A square plus B square plus 2AB. So which is equal to square root of root 7 plus root 2 whole square. Square and root will be cancelled. So the remaining result is root 7 plus root 2. So therefore the square root of 9 plus 2 root 14 is root 7 plus root 2. It is there in the second option, dear students. We'll move on to the another question. This is also related to square root only. So what is the given? Root over 23 plus x root 10 is equal to root 18 plus root 5. If you observe these two without root, if you add 18 plus 5, is it equal to 23 or not? So that means 23 can be expressed as sum of the two numbers 18 and 5. So given information, for this I am doing that squaring on both sides. Okay, dear students. Now if you do the squaring on both sides, here square root is going to eliminate. Remove that. 23 plus x root 10 is equal to, here we are going to apply a plus b whole square. So root 18 whole square is 18 plus root 5 whole square is 5 plus 2 into root 18 into root 5. After that, both sides 18 plus 5 23, here also 23 get cancelled. The remaining terms x into root 10 is equal to 2 into root a into root b root ab, 18 into 5 90. In the next step, x root 10 is equal to 2 into root over, this can be written as 9 into 10, root 9 into root 10, we can write it as. So x root 10 is equal to 2 into root 9 into root 10. So x root 10 is equal to 2 into root 9 is 3 into root 10. So both sides we have to cancel the root 10. X is equal to 2 into 3 6. Therefore the value of x is equal to 6. It is there in the third option, dear students. This is the way they will ask the questions even in AP or JEE or like army tests, Navodaya entrances. Like these entrances, they make chances to ask the dear students. So keep watching our channel, Maths JEE CBSE classes. Now come to the question number 5. If x equal to 3 plus 2 root 2, then x square minus 6x plus 5 equal to, among the options, which one is the right option? Now come to the question. The value is given as x equal to 3 plus 2 root 2. Don't substitute x value directly in this, dear students. So 3 bring this side. X minus 3 is equal to 2 root 2. Now do that squaring on both sides. X minus 3 whole square is equal to 2 root 2 whole square. A minus b whole square expansion. X square minus 6x plus 9 is equal to 2 root 2 whole square. 2 square is 4. Root square is 2. 4 into 2. 8. So 9 bring that side. X square minus 6x is equal to 8 minus 9. X square minus 6x is equal to minus 1. After getting this answer, they are asking to find x square minus 6x plus 5. So here both sides, if you add 5, x square minus 6x plus 5 is equal to minus 1 plus 5. So minus 1 plus 5 value is equal to 4. It is there in the third option, dear students. Okay, dear students, we'll move on to the another question now. The next question. If x equal to 2 by 3 plus root 7, then x minus 3 whole square equal to. So options are given. So first, the given x value, the denominator is surd. You can rationalize the surd. So x equal to 2 by 3 plus root 7. Multiplying and dividing by 3 minus root 7, it will becomes x equal to 2 into 3 minus root 7 whole divided by the denominator a plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square, that means 3 square minus root 7 whole square. 9 minus 7 is 2. Here also 2 is there, we can cancel it. 2 into 3 minus root 7 divided by 2 is equal to x. Here 2 get cancelled. After that, x is equal to 3 minus root 7. They are asking to find x minus 3 whole square, dear students. So 3 bring this side. X minus 3 is equal to minus root 7. Squaring on both sides, x minus 3 whole square is equal to minus root 7 whole square. Minus square means plus, root 7 whole square is 7. So our answer is 7. It is there in the fourth option. Now come to the question. The coming questions which are very important model, dear students. So here root 3 into root 3 within under root only, the 3 is continuously till infinity. So how to solve these type of problems? Let us assume that a given is equal to x, 3, root 3 and so on infinity. No? So from here to here itself is also x only. Why? Because root of 3 into root of 3 into and so on. So from here to here is also x only. No? So we can write it as root 3 into this bracket value is also x is equal to x. Squaring on both sides. So you will get 3x is equal to x square. This 3x bring that side. That implies that x square minus 3x is equal to 0. From this x take common. X into x minus 3 is equal to 0. X is equal to 0 and x minus 3 equal to 0. So x minus 3 0 means x is equal to 3. X is equal to 0 if you take this value. Root of 3 into 1 on infinity, x value 0 means there is no meaning here. So x value 0 is absurd. It is not related answer. X is equal to 3 is our required answer. It is there in the first option, dear students. So root 3 into root 3 into root 3 and so on infinity times. So in place of 3, 5 is there. Your answer is 5. Root of 3 into root of 3 into root of 6 into root of 6 into root of 6 and so on. 6 only there. If you do it this way, you will get the same answer. Now come to another question. But the difference between these questions is here all product, here it is a sum. So here also root 2 plus root 2 plus root 2 plus and so on infinity. This also I am taking as x. Now up to infinity is there, from here to here is also x only. So it will become root of 2 plus x is equal to x. Squaring on both sides. So 2 plus x is equal to x square. So now it will become a quadratic equation. Now we can solve that either splitting the middle term or making the perfect square as the method it's x square minus x minus 2 equal to 0. Now x square minus 2x plus x minus 2 equal to 0. I am splitting the middle term. From these two you can make it x into x minus 2 plus 1 into x minus 2 equal to 0. So x minus 2 into x plus 1 equal to 0. So what comes here? After that, we have the possibilities x minus 2 equal to 0, x is equal to 2, x plus 1 equal to 0 and x is equal to minus 1. So root values always positive, we cannot get any negative values. So x is equal to minus 1 is not our answer, it is absurd. So x is equal to 2 is positive number, it is our required answer, it is there in the first option. So root of 2 plus, root of 2 plus, root of 2 plus and so on. But here we may get sometime 2, otherwise suppose 5 is there, root 5 plus root 5 plus root 5. We may not get the 5 value, not like in the previous product like question. Now come to another question, but here observe carefully in the question number 9, minus is there, dear students. Yeah, minus is there. Minus root 6, minus root 6, minus root 6. This also I am taking as x. X value is negative. You remember, it is a negative value. Here it is positive. That's why negative value across the remaining value only considering. But here, this question number 9, x value is negative. So from here to here, this value is also x including minus, dear students. So minus root of 6 including minus, this value is x means plus x is equal to x. I hope everyone understand. After that, squaring on both sides, minus will become plus. 6 plus x is equal to x squared. These values bring that sign and you will get x squared minus x minus 6 equal to 0. We know that factorization or splitting the middle term. X squared minus 6 product minus 3 into 2. So minus 3x plus 2x minus 6 equal to 0. From these two, x take common. X into x minus 3 plus 2 into x minus 3 equal to 0. X minus 3 take common from these two terms. So x minus 3 means x is equal to 3 will come. X is equal to minus 2. So whenever it is negative value, x is equal to 3 is positive, we cannot accept that answer. X is equal to minus 2 is the right answer, dear students. Why? Because the given value is itself minus. That is the reason our answer is minus 2. I hope everyone understands, dear students. One more questions we will discuss. The next question, if x equal to root 5 minus root 3 by root 5 plus root 3, then x plus 1 by x equal to. See here, first x value is given, no, directly I am writing to students. X plus 1 by x. X value is root 5 minus root 3 divided by root 5 plus root 3 plus 1 by x means the reciprocal of this one. So root 5 plus root 3 divided by root 5 minus root 3. Now you take the LCM, root 5 plus root 3 into root 5 minus root 3. Root 5 minus root 3 whole square plus root 5 plus root 3 whole square. We know that a plus b whole square, here I am going to apply this formula, dear students. A minus b whole square plus a plus b whole square is equal to 2 into a square plus b square. So which is equal to 2 into root 5 whole square plus root 3 whole square divided by a plus b into a minus b. A square minus B square. Everything I am giving clarity, dear students. So root 5 whole square minus root 3 whole square. So 2 into root 5 whole square is 5 plus root 3 whole square is 3 divided by root 5 whole square is 5 minus root 3 whole square is 3. So 2 into 8 divided by 5 minus 3 is 2. Here 2 get cancelled. The answer is 8. So the first question answer is 8. It is there in the first option, dear students. We'll move on to the another question now. That another question also related to this one only. No? Observe carefully. If x equal to root 5 minus root 3 by root 5 plus root 3, then find x cube plus 1 by x cube. Here we got x plus 1 by x value is equal to 8. So they are asking to find x cube plus 1 by x cube. We know that the formula for a cube plus b cube. A cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. This formula we are going to apply for this. So x plus 1 by x whole cube, dear students, minus 3 into x into 1 by x into x plus 1 by x. Am I right? So wherever x plus 1 by x is there, you have to replace with 8. So that is equal to 8 cube minus 3 into x get cancelled. X plus 1 by x value is 8. So 8 cube is 512 minus 24. So 512 minus 24 is 488. Therefore, the value of x cube plus 1 by x cube equal to 488. It is there in the second option, dear students. Thank you for watching our channel. Those who are watching first time, please do subscribe to Maths JEE CBSE classes. Thank you all. Jai Hind.